Like, subscribe, and get notified.
The age-old banyan tree which was trimmed and uprooted in the intervening night of the 5th and 6th of April. The tree was relocated from Panjim to the Kampal ground due to Smart City project works. The Smart City officials were bound to cut the tree as it was posing a hindrance in their work. But the Panjim environmentalists adamantly stopped the crime of the officials and opted for relocation to a new football ground. The translocated banyan tree at Kampal football ground has shown signs of new growth by shooting root sprouts, making it the first 200-year-old tree to be successfully translocated.
Now this is the first, what Daniel has told me, this is the first 200-year-old tree that's been successfully transplanted also. So that I want to commend Smart City for what they've done. So now they've formed a committee. Now what they said is they're extremely they want to protect all the tree cover in the city. And in order to do that, they formed this committee, so they've committed to actually planting like hundreds and thousands of trees in the city itself. So for that, I want to thank them, and I'm sure the tree will do extremely well.
अनेक सांतिनेच ते गणपती देवाकडे अनेक सेम असले बनियन ते तुम्ही कितें केले कित्याक उडयले मारून सायडीचे सेम व्हडले असले ते वायट वर्ड्स कट दॅट टाइम
बनियन ट्री हियर
सेम ते हे झाड असले न्ही बनियन ते सायडीकूच एक 20 मिटराचे ते गणपती टेंपल व्हडले झाड असले
ते रेन ट्री
ना रेन ट्री असून आणि एक असले पयली वी आस्क्ड बाबूश ऑल्सो दॅट टाइम ही टोल्ड दॅट विल बी सेम बट दॅट ट्री वॉज डिसअपियर बनियन ट्री वी हॅव द फुटेज ऑल्सो इट वॉज लाईव्ह एवरी टाइम
We had permission for 2 trees. We have cut this thing with the forest, and one permission was for the translocation of this banyan tree. So that we have translocated. So the reason for this, like how we took the permission, everything, that because there was a lot of things in the media that suddenly we came one night and removed trees. You all are also aware, you all were also there that day. So that whole thing, it happens in days and weeks. It takes for it to be translocated. So that whole journey we have sort of done a presentation, kind of an exhibition thing, which will be there here today, whole day, for people to know like what humongous task this is. And then we had a committee basically of 3 experts, whoever sir is like he doesn't need any introduction basically. So they had advised us in all these things with forest people, G Suda, Smart City, and also the contractors. So we worked really hard for the past 2.5-3 months to rehabilitate this.
That banyan tree is still alive. So what I say is this banyan tree is still alive. And let us wish it well, send positive vibes. Look at this. So this is an actual indication. When the tree gets a little hurt, anyway, any part of the tree you remove with a nail.
Okay, enough. Yeah, we got
Yeah. So this is a very good indication.
So new roots have been formed now.
Yeah, and then now what happened? We have opened it up, so the tree will get a lot of breeze, get natural light, and with the rain, it will start throwing out lot of new roots.
Then किती difficulties तुका लागली जेन्ना सुरवातेक दिन तेका plant.
First of all, the chemicals were not available in Goa, so we required a lot of chemicals. We required a lot of rooting hormones, which Goa was not available. So we had to call in from Bombay. But luckily, these chemicals were available in Bombay, so we put it on the bus. So here we use a lot of hormones to activate the root hormones here. And major problem was this procedure was done in the peak of summer, which nobody can do. It is a total wrong time of the year. But what we did, we created this microclimatic condition by putting this grain net. So we maintained a good humidity inside. And 4 times a day we used to water this tree. Starting 4 times a day, water it and keep the tree moist. So that's the reason this tree is sort of. The backup system was very good. We had a very good backup. So Tekalagon, this tree is doing well.
Watch on Herald TV.